which magic pet's in the Petmobile today. It's Chroma! Yay! Oh no! Chroma's got a cold! Uh-oh! Mila, look! Poor Chroma! Don't worry. We'll get you some medicine before you splat color over the whole town.
Oh!
Wait! Chroma, where are you going? The medicine is in the Magic Pet Center. Uh-oh! What do we do, Mila? We need to catch him and get him back here for some medicine. Let's go in the Petmobile. Stop! Chroma, the medicine isn't this way. It's back at the Magic Pet Center. Just come with us. This is becoming impossible. Uh-oh! Mila, look! We need to warm him up.
What's that?
A towel so we can warm Chroma up and stop him sneezing. Great idea!
Got it, Mila!